Whoever invented this invention definitely deserves praise. Look, a simple arrangement extracts copper and removes rubber coating. A mulcher or shredder is powerful equipment used in various industries including agriculture, forestry, landscaping and land clearing. It is widely used in dense tree area to create firebreak. A scythe is traditional hand tool primarily used for cutting grass, crips and vegetables. This handy tool creates different paver design. By pressing this, it creates perfect crafting. This tree harvester has redefined tree processing performance. Its feed roller arm can drag forward wood log easily. A rock wheel excavator is used for removal of medium to hard fractured rock. This stapler machine helps for tying the creeper plant easily. This machine collects onions and uploads it on a conveyor belt. Milk doesn't fall because centripetal force due to the circular motion of the bucket exceeds than force exerted by gravity. Machine thrown rice seedling helps save the cost and increase economic efficiency. Passing raw material one to another makes work faster. This is flail mower machine that is best used to provide a rough cut to long grass. This is a rebar tying tool invented by Makita that is a leading power tool industry. This weeding tool is perfect helper for agricultural work such as weeding, digging and shoveling. This hand-operated DIY tool that can fill concrete into hard-to-reach area. Here is a smartly designed machine which lifts soil from the ground and places it on field's boundary. When a tractor is stuck in a swamp, then a woodlog helps it to come out. With the help of this technique, water moves forward slowly and irrigation becomes easier. This man knows all the skills of construction. With a handy tool, he removes extra concrete. A handy rebar bending tool that easily bends iron bar to create a structure. Specially designed rake for gardening that is made with stainless steel for quick cleanup of lawn and yard. This machine is dividing the raw material of concrete according to different size. A large container is filled with raw material and the bricks is formed with compression automatically. This leveling machine spreads the concrete layer evenly and it will be better to install tile on it. A civil engineer knows very well how to use things in the proper manner. A specially designed semi-automatic wire twister tool that ties rebar easily. A mini handheld transplanter tool that can plant small plant at another location. See how this driver with his skill created a staircase from a JCB bucket. A driver knows very well what will be the next step in difficult situation. With his skill, see how he moves the caterpillar to the other side. This is a mini walking tractor that uproots peanut plants. Here is a smart machine that makes way for water irrigation.